Let me show you how to switch your Apple Music account. This is helpful if there's another Apple ID account that you wanted to listen to music on. Now, within Apple Music, if you get into your profile and hop in here, you can manage everything, including your account settings, by tapping on account settings at the very bottom. And you'll be able to see here, once you unlock it, your Apple account, but there's no ability to sign out. You can remove this device, but essentially it doesn't allow you to switch to a different account. You can't do it within here, but you can do it within the settings of your phone. Now, keep in mind your Apple Music account is associated with your Apple account that you're currently signed in for. So all we need to do is go through the process of signing out of your account. So you can see this will sign you out of Apple services like Apple Music. So just hit the red sign out button and then you'll just be able to sign back in. Keep in mind you will need a different Apple ID account associated with that different account. And then you'll be able to go directly in here and see a different list of music. And in addition to that, different library, downloaded songs, etc.